So if you're still using innerHTML this way, you're very wrong. So let me show you what could happen. So in this my simple file, I'm actually getting the innerHTML of my text area in this function on click of this button, and then I'm displaying the content of my text area in this comment section. So that's just basically what this first function is doing. So let's assume this is the comment section of your page where user comes to drop comments and then you display the comments in your page. So user comes and then says something like hello and then post comments, everything works fine. But then when an attacker comes with an intent of performing cross-site scripting attack on your page, this is a sample script. So when I run this, you can see that it gets the username and password from the cookie that I saved for this user in my site. So that's just basically what could happen. So if you're saving sensitive data like tokens or something else, an attacker can actually access this data just because you used innerHTML in your code. So let's inspect this so you can see what's happening here. So this is the first text I entered. So it's just a normal paragraph with the hello text. But the second one here now, you could see that it actually injects the image with the script and then the text alongside. So what could happen here is that if you actually saving this the user's comments in your server, then when some other user loads it up, then you save your page to the user. This simply means that when this happens, you're also going to save this image with this script to every other user. And when this happens, this script could collect those users data and then send it to a bad actor. So a sample script that could do that is this. So this right here is just basically saying access the cookie of this particular user and then append the value that you get from the cookie to this URL here and then send a request to this URL. So it's just basically saying send a request to this server with the cookie that you can get from this particular user. So with this, this attacker can get as much data as they want from your users, as long as they load up your page with this thing being inserted in your comment section. So this is something that you need to be very, very conscious about, not to use, right? So how did I work around this? So let me comment out this part of the function. So I wrote another function. So basically what the function does is it sanitizes the content of my text area before it uses it. So let's analyze that. So in this place now, so when I click on my post comment, it gets the content of my text area. That basically in this case, I'm using the value. It gets the value of my text area and then goes for what's called the sanitize function with that value. So the sanitize function, basically what it does is that this particular line here basically creates a new HTML document with the string that I passed to it. So it basically creates a HTML document with that string, and then it returns the contents of the body. So basically when it creates this HTML document, it inserts that string into the body of my HTML document. Then further I can access the body by saying this HTML document.body and then text content. And here I'm using text content. I'm emphasizing on this because I'm getting the text and not everything inside the body. You know, the body can contain more and more elements. So I'm not getting those elements. I'm actually getting the content. So that way I've got reading of the image and every other HTML that will come with it, right? So, and then I'm just getting the hello part of the whole content. So, and then I'll return that back to my function. Then further, I get the my comment element, then create a paragraph, then wrap my sanitized content in a paragraph, and then go ahead to append it in my comment element, and everything works fine. So in this case now, so when I type hello again and post, it works fine. And when I also go and copy this this one here and then try posting again, you see that everything comes out good. So when I inspect again now, you can see that this is a normal paragraph and then this is also a normal paragraph. So that means I've handled it. So with this is not to say that if you're using a server that you shouldn't also perform your server validation and sanitization. You should also do that on your server, because this is just only on the client that you're doing this sanitization. So, and you also have other libraries that you can use to perform this sanitization and validation. So we have something like DOMSanitizer. So it's a library for preventing SSS attack in JavaScript. We also have DOMPurify. So it's widely used library for HTML sanitization, and you can use it in your browser and also in Node.js. So you can also use SafeHTML. So SafeHTML is just security focused HTML sanitizer for Node.js. And then there's also another one known as Google Kaja. So this one is for making third-party HTML and JavaScript safe to embed in your website. So when you want to embed other people's code into your own code, you should make sure that their code is safe. You shouldn't just trust that their code is safe. So you should also make sure that you protect yours, even if theirs have a problem. So if you're interested in any of these libraries, you can go ahead to check them out. So if you like the knowledge that you got from this video, you can give it a thumbs up, and then you can also subscribe for my subsequent videos. Thank you.